Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the top 8 sixes of Rashid Khan, the Afghan cricketer who is widely regarded as one of the best 20 bowlers in the world. But in this video, we'll be focusing on his big hitting abilities as we count down his most memorable sixes. Six number 8.
Well, that's going to go all the way. Don't worry about that.
Have a look at this, the flourish on that shot to shot, or helicopter, whatever that is.
Six number 7.
Hammered away, Rashid Khan, a long, long way. A long, long way.
Oh, he's got that daggers, he's got that good.
Six number 6.
Well, he wanted it to go leg side. It's definitely gone leg side, and the only question was how far leg side it was going to go.
You move a game ahead, don't you? Oh my goodness! Oh, that's the best shot of the tournament for me.
First to the umpire, then to the bowler. Oh, look at that!
Six number 4.
There's 2 balls left.
Talk about some wrist work. He's fat in his face.
Bowler, Alzari Joseph, and look at that. As easy as you like.
Six number 3.
He wants to hit him on the leg side.
He's lofted it. Has he got enough on it? Yes, he has. The camelback came into fine force there. Just.
Six number 2.
Doesn't give the bowler many options. That's 6 as well.
Fully. Oh, here we go. Here we go, Richo. Just spatches it.
Six number 1.
Fafler, the 15 wickets. What a shot! It's MS Dhoni. No, it's not. It's Rashid Khan.
Magic. Ball 1 in the slot. Look at that. The pose. Imposing himself on the bowler from ball 1.
It's the helicopter shot.
And that concludes our countdown of Rashid Khan's top 8 sixes. We hope you enjoyed watching as much as we did. So which one of these sixes was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more cricket content.